virtual class of Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai Education Department. I am Mrs. Akshata Kale and today we will learn maths. Okay, now we will move to the chapter.
Hello students. Wow, so great view, isn't it? We can see here children are playing and are very happy. Even you want to join them, right? If yes, then come with me to the third standard maths class. Okay, we will learn subtraction without borrowing by play-way method. And yes, I am Mrs. Akshata Kale and we are going to learn this through Virtual Training Center Dadar. Okay then, shall we move? Look at the picture and study the example. Okay, dear students, here you can see a string of beads. How many are there? 4, right? And there are single beads are also there. Okay, first we will write in the table that how many tens beads and how many single beads are there. Okay, here unit place and tens place. And how many single beads are there? First we will count. Yes, there are 6. And how many tens strings are there? There are 4. Okay, now some of them are lost. See here, these 2 strings and some single beads, they are lost. And how many remain, we will see. Okay, first we will see how many single beads are lost. 3. And how many strings of tens are lost? 2. Okay, now how many remain? We'll see. We'll go for subtraction. Okay, we will start from the unit place. 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. Right? 4. Earlier there were 4. Now 2 lost. How many remain? 2. Isn't it? Okay, this sum is over. Now you can see here hundreds bundles. How many are there? 4 are there. Okay. And tens are there. How many are there? 3. Okay. And units also are there. You will see. Okay. Now here hundreds, tens and units are there. So dear students, first we will make a table and we will write units, tens, hundreds. Okay, how many units are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 units are there. 3 tens are there and 4 hundreds are there. Okay, here we are going to cut some hundreds, some tens and some units. Okay, see this. I have cut the hundreds, tens and units. Now whatever we put the line on the hundreds, tens and units, we will write that one in the column. First we will move to units, 3 units and 1 ten is cut and 2 hundreds are cut. Okay, now we will do subtraction. We'll start from unit place, that is 5 minus 3. How many remain? 2. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Yes, nice. One problem is there here. Ajit gave rupees 150 to Manoj. Ajit and Manoj are friends. Okay, from his total amount. How much money left with Ajit? Okay, first you have to read the problem, then you have to understand that one, and the third step is to solve. Okay, first Ajit. He is Ajit. He is having some money. How much money he is having? We'll see. Please go on counting. Okay, 100 rupees. One more 100 means that is 200. Okay, remember this 200. Now this is 10 rupees means 210. 220, 230, 240, 250 rupees. Okay, this is 250 rupees. Some more coin he is having. This is 251, 252, 253, 254, 255, 256 and 257 means Ajit is having rupees 257. Okay, you know that he is going to give rupees 150 to Manoj, his friend, because Manoj wanted to buy a book. So Ajit is helping Manoj. Okay, he is giving 100 rupee note and 110 rupees means 110, 120, 130, 140, 150 rupees he gave to Manoj. Now dear students, how much money left with Ajit? Now you know that we are going to do subtraction. Okay, we will make a table and table is ready now. Here 257 that Ajit is having total amount and we will do minus 150 because he gave 150 rupees to Manoj. Now we will do subtraction. We will start from unit place. 7 minus 0, 7. 5 minus 5, all tens notes he gave it to Manoj. So 0. And hundreds note 2 were there and 1 he gave to Manoj. So 1 remained. So how much money left with Ajit? Rupees 107. Okay. Now one more sum is there. In a cricket match, England scored 245 runs. India scored 123. How many more runs must India make to equal England's score? Yes, dear students, you love cricket. Am I right? Okay, here match is going on between India and England. Now, here England scored 245 runs and India scored 123 runs. Some more runs are needed by India to make equal runs to that of England. See, here 123 plus box. How many runs we need more? That we have to write here. How we can calculate this? Yes, very good. We will subtract 123 from total runs. Okay, table is ready here. Now we will write 245 minus 123. Okay. Now dear students, we will start subtraction from unit place. 5 minus 3, 2. 4 minus 2, 2. 2 minus 1, 1. Means here India needs 122 runs to make equal score that of England's. Correct? Now India will score 123 runs and it will win the match. Isn't it? Okay, one more sum is there. Rani has 168 crayons. Crayon pencil, you know that one, na? She gives 60 of them to Neeta, her friend. How many crayons does Rani have left? Now see this, she is Rani and she has 168 crayons. And she is Neeta, her friend, and Rani gave 60 crayons to Neeta. How many crayons left with Rani? Okay, we will prepare a table. Okay, we will write 168 first. 8, 6, 1. Okay, we will minus 60. 0, 6. Okay, we will carry out the subtraction. Now from the unit place, 8 minus 0 is equal to 8. 6 minus 6 is 0 and 1 remained as it is. So now Rani has 108 crayons with her. Very easy, na? Yes, dear students, one more sum is there. There are 455 students in the school. 234 students are interested in sports. They want to play. Okay. Rest of the students are interested in arts. Means some students are there. They are interested in drawing, craft and all that. Okay. How many students are interested in arts? We have to find out. Okay, total we know, and we know the students who has interest in sports. Now we will make a table. First we will write total students, that is 455. Okay. Now we will minus 234 from the total. Is it right? Okay, then simple. What to do now? We have to do subtraction. 5 minus 4, that is 1 in the unit place. 5 minus 3, that is 2. And 4 minus 2, that is 2. Yes, dear students, we can tell that 221 students have interest in arts. Right? If you want to do the verification, then you can add the number of students who have interest in sports plus number of students that they have the interest in arts. When you add these two numbers, you will get the total number of students in the school. Okay? Yes, students, here 345 birds were sitting on the tree. After some time, 132 flew away. How many birds left on the tree? Yes, dear students, earlier there were 345 birds were sitting on the tree, and after some time some of them became hungry and they flew away. How many flew away? 132 birds flew away. How many birds left on the tree? Now we will make a table here again. We will write 345. Then we will minus 132 from the total number of birds. Okay. Now we will start from the unit place. Now 5 minus 2 is 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. And 3 minus 1 is 2. Means how many birds left on the tree? 213 birds left on the tree. Got this, students? Now here direct subtraction is there. Now you have to carry out this subtraction. Very easy one. 5 minus 4. Always start from unit place. 5 minus 4, 1. 6 minus 6 is 0. 7 minus 4 is 3. Second sum. 9 minus 0, 9. 4 minus 3 is 1. And 7 minus 3 is 4. Okay. Now you became expert in subtraction. 4 minus 3 in the unit place means 1. 6 minus 2 is 4. 5 minus 1 is 4. One more sum. 9 minus 5 is 4. 5 minus 1 is 4. And 8 directly comes down. Yes, students, one more sum is there. Here in the unit place 4 minus 4, 0. And here in the tens place 6 minus 0. Yes, remember students, when we minus or when we subtract 0 from any number, the answer is that number only. Okay. Here in the hundreds place 9 minus 4 is 5. One more sum. So it will become practice for you. Okay. 9 minus 7 is 2. 8 minus 5 is 3. And 1 comes down. For the students? Yes. Thank you very much. You played with me very well. And dear students, and page number 22 has the subtraction sums. Okay, please go through and practice them.
Thank you very much students for being a part of this lesson. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get new updated videos.